Listen up, everyone. As you all know, this is a call center. And since this is a call center, not encourage. You people are obligated, okay? Obligated to talk in English 24/7. Because if I ever hear you talking in Tagalog, I'm sorry. You have to get yourself a new job. You are fired. Is that clear?
Crystal clear.
Thank you. I shall see you in a while.
Crystal clear. Crystal. Pare.
What?
Bago lang ako dito eh.
Huh?
Ako si Efren. Ang hirap pala dito, no? Ha? Ang hirap naman dito.
Didn't you hear what the supervisor just said?
What did the
You
supervisor...
should speak in English. English only.
Oo nga
right?
yun nga, pero nahihirapan ako kasi... Kaya nga ako bumubulong, nahihirapan ako eh. Huwag ka maingay ha. Kaya lang kasi, galing akong probinsya eh. Pinasok lang ako ng kapitbahay ko. Kaya ako natanggap dito. Hindi ako masyado marunong mag-English eh. Yun ang bahip.
Man, listen up. Whatever. Alright?
Oo.
If the supervisor hears you again,
What?
I'll bet you'll be in big trouble, man.
I'll be-
You're dead meat. I
Dead
told you. So,
Dead meat? Kung paano yan, pagdating ng
here she
supervisor.
comes. Here she comes.
Ay, naku, nandyan na naman to. Hello? Hello, Inay? Mother? How are you there in the mountain province? I can't speak Tagalog already in Manila. Ano po? I mean, what? What? Speak English or my supervisor will hear you. Ano? What? Si Itay nahulog sa bangin?
English, please.
Told you.
The father fell down in the bangi, I mean the rolling hills. Father rolling down in the rolling hills. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's sad. Oh, really? Come on. Mother, is he dead? As in, no life at all? Okay, I'll send money, about 2,000 of them. Bye. Pambira naman buhay ito. Ang hirap naman, oh. Masamang balita na ngayon sinabi sa akin ng nanay ko, hindi ka naman pwedeng Tagalogin. Pinagmamura tuloy ako ng nanay ko.
Hey,
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Didn't I warn you already not to talk in Tagalog?
there you go.
Did
there
you warn
go.
me?
Told you.
What are you trying to prove?
Well, ma'am, meron lang akong gustong sabihin. Pwede ba? Kasi ang hirap magsalita ng English buong maghapon eh. Mga Pilipino tayo, di ba? Dapat pag Tagalog tayo, doon na lang tayo magtelepono. Doon tayo sa mag-English sa telepono. Dapat pag nag-uusap tayo, dapat Pilipino, di ba?
No.
Tayong lahat ay mga Pilipino, taas ang kamay, yung mga naniniwalang dapat Pilipino ang ating salitain, hindi ang mga salitang banyaga, itaas ang inyong mga kamay.
No.
Gusto kong malaman, no? Gusto kong malaman, palakpakan nyo ang salitang Pilipino. Kita mo, halos lahat sila sumasangayon sa akin na talagang Tagalog ang ating dapat salitain at hindi English. See?
What?
That's what I said.
Hey,
What?
excuse me. There's the beggar.
A beggar?
Yeah.
Tingnan ninyo, may taong grasa doon, no? Nakikita nyo ba ang taong grasang yan? Yan taong grasang yan. Yan ang isang halimbawa ng tunay na Pilipino. Dapat, paano? Hindi nyo ba siya lilimusan? Mahihirapan yan. Dapat Tagalog ang kanyang salita. Hindi English. Yung mga ganyang klasik tao, Pilipinong-Pilipino yan. Yan, yung mga taong grasang yan. Tulad niya. Hindi ba? Tama ba ako? Sumangayong ka.
Excuse me? I beg your pardon, but I don't understand what you're talking about. I mean, you're telling me I can't communicate with you? Come on. I may be poor, but I can speak, man. Oh. By the way, could you give me some money? I haven't been eating for a week. I ate my own crap.
Oh!
Sorry, man.
Hey, bro.
Bro!
I don't have any quarters.
Hey, man.
Yeah, I got the food.
Thanks for the food, brother.
No
I'm
problem.
confused.
I'm poor.
Oh!
Thank you,
I
man.
don't like it anymore here.
Thank
No!
you.
I cannot stand it.